Hi guys, so happy Star Wars Day. Obviously it's May the 4th today, so obviously I had to make something Star Wars orientated. So I've gone with a pod racer, and obviously I've got Crazy Dave the Ork driving this little thing. So I hope you enjoyed the clips you just seen, some nice little glamour shots of this little model. Yeah, so it's quite a little fun build, and obviously as this is May, I'm only making things out of sprues. So apart from the base, obviously, this is all made out of sprues, with the exception obviously a bit of wire and obviously some paint. But yeah, other than that, 100% sprue built. Obviously this is just a little teaser video to show you how he looks. The full build video will be out later tonight. It's going to be 9 PM UK time. It's going to be a live premiere, so obviously I'll be online to answer any questions and just generally chat with you guys about the build of this. So yeah, hopefully guys, I'll see you later on today at 9 PM UK time for the full build of this. So yeah, may the 4th be with you guys.